Hello everybody, my name is Tanner Falcon from Danny Tanner's Window Washing on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, and right now I'm going to be talking about the squeegee. This is actually your first step to getting your windows done. Windows101.com. You got the brass end clips. These have to be bought separately. These do not come with anything you see here. These come in a little plastic bag and you buy these separately. These are what keeps the squeegee tight. This is the squeegee blade. This is actual part that come in about packs of 20, and you can use both sides. The key part about a squeegee blade is the sides have to be sharp. When you see a dull side, as you see on this one right here, sides are very dull. This is a used squeegee blade. You will get streaks left and right. So stay away from these, switch sides, and if at all costs, switch the squeegee blade up. And then this is the mini squeegee. I'm going to be talking about this real quick. This is basically for French doors and tight corners. This is key to minimal streaks around the edges, and it's very, very convenient to use. This is the squeegee handle. Slides off, and you can fill different squeegee channels in them. Squeegee channels, they'll come in different various sizes. You can get them from 8 inches to 10 inches to 12 inches to 14 to 16 to even 20 inches long. Then you just buy the blade to match the inches. So let's go ahead and put the squeegee blade into the squeegee channel. The important part about this is you want the squeegee blade to be tight. So you place this in there, find your sharp edge, which is going to be both sides on a new squeegee blade. And you want to get these brass ends on the ends. It can be tricky, because the blade is going to be shorter than the channel, but you're going to stretch it, and that's what makes it tight. So you're going to put the end on there, and you can clamp down. They got little teeth in there that clamp on to the squeegee blade, and you're going to shove it down in there and leave that about a quarter to an eighth of an inch out, so your squeegee blade has leverage on the water that is pulling off the window. You want to bring it down right here on this side, and it may slip in, but the thing about this is that you just have to make them both stay on each side. So you kind of want to hold right there, and it will slip like that. But you want to just bring this side right here, put the clamp on this one right here, clamp it down, push it down, and you're going to have some excess blade jam going on in here. That will not be good. You'll have streaks, and this defeats the whole purpose of the squeegee. Pull it out until we got another little eighth of an inch there, and you got a tight bowed squeegee. So that wraps it up for the squeegees. You want to throw it in here next, and we're ready to wash windows.